it somewhere like, okay, display the name, that's fine, but and terminate also. Now what will happen? We go on and on, because always is true. Always 1 is less than 10. Always start is less than end. Okay, so it's true. So we go on printing. So what we do is that how we make it to end also sometimes. If somehow I'm able to make the start value to reach till end, 1 can be incremented. 1 can be made 2, 1 can be made 3, 1 can be made 4, 1 can be made till 10. Okay, I can make 1 to reach up to 10. So somehow if I'm able to make this start reach up to 10 or greater than 10. So what could happen is that a time would come when you check, if the start value is getting bigger and bigger, a time would come it will become bigger than the end. So then, and when you check the start less than end, it will give you false, because start has become bigger than end. And how we do it, Harry, is that inside learn, if I write like this, first time you printed, Harry, then you write start equal to start plus 1. What will happen? First time the start value was 1, end value was 10. So it came here printed Harry. When you printed Harry, I tell the start value to be changed. Then this new start value will be what? Take the old start value, which is 1, 1 plus 1. And 1 plus 1 is what? 2. The new start value becomes 2. But again it will go up and check. The new start value has become 2. What has become 2? What will happen now is that it will check. Is 2 less than 10? 2 less than 10? Yes. Print for the second time. Harry. Then the start value become 3. 3 less than 10? Yes. Print. 4 less than 10? Print. When it goes up to, then the start value become incremented. A start value become 11. When the start value become 11, is 11 less than 10? No. Now it becomes false. When it becomes false, it will come out of the loop. We are making it to sometime to end also. It's not always like just go on printing.
So the loop only works if it's true, because if it's false, then it would be the wrong key, right?
Correct. Very good. And also we change the y-axis here. So I'll just write the y-axis, variable y equal to 20, and increment y. So y want to change, y to y plus 20. Can you try this out, Harry?
Okay.
See, okay.
I don't see any results, but it's not showing any errors.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Could you share your screen with me?
Okay.
No, sorry. Could you paste on the chat box otherwise?
Okay.
Okay, so I'll paste this. Correct. Not able to see. Harry, why? See, because you written the condition wrong. Start is greater than end. Is 1 is greater than 10? No. So it will not enter only. You don't have the right key. That's why the text is not coming at all. This is one change. Makes
Oh, okay. Now it's okay.
Okay, Harry. See, it's a very important program. Huh? Okay, so you have to understand. Go again line by line. I know it's a bit big program, but every line has its reason to be there. Okay. So with minor change, Harry, see, if I just change this, the output is not coming. There is no error. Because logically it makes sense. You're putting the wrong key. Because the condition is false. Since the key is wrong, it will not go into the body of the while at all. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. So this will go very slowly, Harry. This is okay. So what we wrote, start, the condition, anything, any doubts, go through it. Ask me why we wrote this, why we wrote that. I hope it makes bits sense for us, like why we are typing it out. Okay, the reason. So it's like a loop. We're telling it to repeat. Why will get repeated again and again? But very important thing. Why will only get repeated again if the condition is true. The condition means true or false. If it's getting a false result, it will not go into the while at all. Okay? Harry? You can save this work. Huh? You can go to edit title and type in your go to edit title and change the program name to say while loop, and then click on save. Okay, save. So when it saves, so we can save. Now if I want it back, because I change the program with the name while loop. Can you change the name, Harry?
Yes.
Okay. Now say, so suppose imagine that okay, you close this completely. Okay, and say the next day you come to Khan Academy. Okay, and you want your program back. So where you have to go then? So you have to go in profile. In profile you have to go in my projects or you see projects. Okay. Once you go in projects, you can see view all. So there you can see your program.
Okay. So right. go to the dashboard, I pick do I pick profile?
Yeah, go to profile.
Okay.
And once you go to profile, and then you go to my project.
So when I click see all, I can see all of them. Okay.
Okay. Fine. So you're back in the program, Harry. You can able to fetch it.
Yes.
Very good. Okay. So this is the example which we tried right now. Loop has many examples. Okay. Loop has many different things to try. Okay. So let's see them. What all are possibilities? Okay. So always the logic will remain the same. There would be a start. There would be an end. Okay. And there would be a condition. Okay. So now, Harry, if I tell you to modify the same program, instead of printing your name, okay, I need numbers from 1 to 10. A small change. Numbers from 1 to 10. So what do you think? Of course, the text would change now. Harry won't come here. What should I type here? So that instead of word Harry, you start giving me numbers from 1 to 10. So think, Harry, what should you type here? So instead of numbers, sorry, instead of name, I should get number. Okay, see, can I guide you?
Okay.
Okay, see, if you notice, Harry, the start value was 1, and the start is getting incremented +1, +1, +1. So instead of writing any name, if I write just start variable itself.
Oh, so you can change it into numbers just by writing start?
Yes, because start is giving you the values 1, 2, 3, 4 like this.
Oh, if you
So I'm
write
telling
n, then you get the 20 to 30?
you, sorry, if I write,
So if I write n is 10, so I get 10 to 20, right?
no, because we are incrementing start, right? And we are not incrementing. We are changing the value of start. Okay? Start was 1, start was getting +1, +1, +1. Okay, so that's why. Depend upon what should we be typing it also. Okay, so you'll be able to try, Harry, this. You see, if I change this to start 1, so start is getting +1, +1, +1.
Now, when I typed in start, it turned into numbers. I'm trying to see the results, so when I press start, it turned into numbers. Wait, do you increase something so that the numbers can go longer?
Yes, very good, very good. So if I increase the end, this time I don't want to end at 10, I want to go up to 20. I just change the 20. It's just minor change. Now the numbers become longer because we have indicated that now you're not to 10, you have to go up to 20. Start. You have to reach up to 20.
Oh, so if n was changed to 50, then it would go up to 50?
Correct.
Okay.
So okay, so yes, so Harry, it involves like a bit of playing around with the code. It involves about a bit of thinking what to change and where to change. But yes, of course, the practice will help you with doing this. So have you tried this program now, Harry?
Okay. I can see the results.
Sorry.
I said I can see the results.
Very good. Very good.
Can I use the restroom?
Yes.
I'm back.
Very good. So could you try type it out, Harry, and see?
Yeah, I can see the results.
Okay. To see, Harry, where to change, what number to increment, depending upon what type of result we want. Okay, so also in many criteria it works. Okay, now Harry, if I tell you that I want to change numbers from 20 to 1, or, okay, otherwise not 20 to 1, let's go slowly. If I want to display all the odd numbers between 1 and 20, not all the numbers. A slight change. All the odd numbers from 1 to 20. Then Harry, what do you think? Where should we go? So Harry, can you think where to go? What to do? You getting the question? You want numbers from?
So if I want the numbers to increase, I increase the end equals 20. I can increase that 20 to 60 to make the numbers increase.
I want numbers from 1 to 20, yes. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
So if I take out the end equal 20 and replace it with end equal 60, then it would go on from 1 to 60.
No. I want between 1 to 20 only. But it should not display me 1, 2, 3, 4. It should display 1, 5, 3, 5, 7 like this. You getting?
Like it should not start from 1?
No, it should start from 1. But it should not display me 2. It should give me, after 1 it should give me 3. After 3 should not give me 4. It should give me 5. After 5 should give me 7.
I don't think changing the numbers in the variable start would help.
Okay. See, but if with a minor change, if I just change start to start plus instead of start plus 1, plus start plus 2, it does the change for me. Can you see the result change?
Yes.
Right?
So you did start. You changed start equals start plus 1 into start equals start plus 2.
Correct. Right. So yes, so we have two effects, okay, which can be used. You see now it's changing form. So if I tell you I want to change numbers from, okay, I need all the even numbers I need from 0 to 20. What should I change?
What did you say?
Even numbers 0 to 20.
For just even numbers, maybe start equals start plus even.
Okay. What do you think? Okay, even numbers from 0 to 20. Okay. Even number. See, what I can do is Harry is here. Instead of starting it from 1, if I start from 0, it will be 0 plus 2, 0 plus 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Right? Then it could change from. Will give you all the even numbers now?
Okay.
So understanding, Harry?
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, okay, so this is a change of start and some variables, and to get things, okay, get our results. And now, what we can I can tell you to do is, Harry, if I need numbers from display from, okay, I'll again get it from 1 to 10, 1 to 10. Okay, so I'll change the end, and here will be start plus 1. A minor change if I want that the number should come in descending order. Okay, otherwise we'll go slowly. We'll not go very too much fast. Okay. So you're understanding this much, Harry, what we did. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll keep this much for today.
Okay.
Next, you can prioritize that you can practice if you want. Okay, what example I've given you. And next class when I meet, I will continue further and show you how to display descending order. We'll try out other examples which are there.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Bye.